In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old chats in Microsoft Teams. If you've been using Teams for a while, you probably have a lot of conversations, and sometimes the one you need seems to have disappeared. Maybe you haven't talked to that person or group in a while, or you accidentally hid the chat and now you can't see it on your chat list. The good news is, most of the time it isn't gone at all, it's just out of sight. In this video, I'll walk you through how to quickly bring those old chats back using the search bar and the hidden chats feature. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and making sure you're on the chat tab. At the top of the Teams window, you'll see a search bar. This search bar lets you look through messages, files, and people across your entire Teams account, and it's the key to finding old conversations. Click once on the search bar so your cursor is active there. Now type in the name of the chat you're looking for. If it was a one-on-one conversation, type the person's name. If it was a group chat, start typing the group name or a distinctive word that was in the chat name. As you type, Teams will begin suggesting results underneath the search bar. Look carefully through those suggestions. You should see a section that shows chats related to what you typed. If the chat is active, it will appear there and you can just click it to open it again. All the past messages will still be there, exactly as you left them. If you don't see the chat right away, there's a good chance it has been hidden. Teams lets you hide chats to keep your main list clean, but it can make old conversations harder to spot later. When a chat is hidden, it won't show up in your regular chat list, but it is still fully searchable and recoverable. Within the chat suggestions that appear under the search bar, look for an option that says something like Show Hidden Chat next to the conversation you're trying to find. Click on that. As soon as you do, Teams will unhide the chat and open it for you. The conversation will reappear in your chat list, and you'll be able to scroll back through the history, send new messages, and keep using it as normal. That's all there is to it. Use the search bar, type the chat name, and then choose to show the hidden chat if it was hidden.